So speaking of which, one thing that I found interesting in reading a little bit about you was you mentioned this thing called the imposter syndrome.
Yeah, I do want to empathize with most people because the moment we give something a label, um, the moment we give something a label, we have to acknowledge it because that's gonna resonate with people. People are gonna cling on to that label, and you don't want to be so hardcore that you deprive people of finding that safe haven, right? So like nowadays, procrastination used to be people just say you were lazy, right? So imposter syndrome is this belief where others may acknowledge you as a rock star, but you don't think you're good enough, right? You don't
Okay.
believe the acknowledgments, the accolades you're given. Or if you walked into a role, you've been promoted, you've gotten a certification, you think you're a fraud and that truly somebody must have made a mistake. Sooner or later, somebody's going to tap you on the shoulder and say, hey, time's up, music's up. It's not, we got you. This is not who you really are.